In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest not opening problem. Start by checking your internet connection and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app loads properly. After that, completely close Pinterest and reopen it. Next up, clear cache for the app. So launch settings, go to general, click on iPhone storage, find Pinterest app and launch it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app to confirm it. Wait for a few seconds and click on reinstall app. In the Android device, press and hold on the app Pinterest. Click on app info. Select the option storage. Click on clear cache and confirm it. Next, check for app update. Launch App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Pinterest. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If these solutions didn't work out for you, sometimes the issue is caused by Pinterest server outages rather than your device. You can check live service reports. Launch your preferred browser, type in Pinterest server status and search for it. Navigate to the website down detector. If many users are reporting problems, the app should start working again once Pinterest restores its server. You can also try disabling a VPN, enabling automatic date and time settings, or opening Pinterest in a different browser if the issue happens on a PC. And that's it. These are some fixes for Pinterest not opening. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.